Fuck.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, Plumas, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Plumas County in Northern California, southeastern Tehama County in Northern California, central Butte County in Northern California, northeastern Glen County in Central California, until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Chico, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chico, Paradise, Sterling City, Delaware Saddle Powerhouse, Forest Ranch, Lovelock, Richardson Springs, Vigilia, Durham, Dayton, and Conco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A brief tornado is possible with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, Plumas, and Tehama.
Jesse,